हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिष। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे हो। हियर आई एम एट ब्लॉसम कैंपस एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी टाइम। टुडे इज द महाभारत 21st एपिसोड। लेट्स प्रोसीड। फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल देन प्लीज subscribe to my channel right now, and if you like it, please like and share with your friends. Also, do let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. Let's proceed with the Mahabharata story. The way of divine love, the path of devotion and the path of yoga. Krishna had talked about the path of devotion and the path of yoga. Arjun wanted to know which was the better of the two. He asked, "Oh Krishna, who is more dear to you? The one who follows the path of devotion or the one who pursues yoga?" Krishna replied, "One who is firm in his faith in me and worship me with deep concentration in my best devotee is my best devotee. But also those who seek wisdom, they control their passions and their senses through rigid control, through rigid discipline. Their minds are calm, are dedicated to the welfare of all beings. Of course, their task is much more difficult, but with their mind always fixed on me, they reach their goal." "What should they do if they are not able to fix their mind on you?" asked Arjuna. "Constant practice," said Krishna, "is the remedy of them. If this is also not possible, they should seek to reach him through work. In this, no wrong will be done, and all work should be dedicated to him, without their ever thinking that I am doing this. If the mind does not have the firmness to do this," Krishna continued, "then they should practice control of the senses and stop worrying about the fruit of all action. Doing something without desire appears very simple, but it is the highest yoga." To sum up, said Krishna, "Knowledge is better than the practice of concentration. Meditation excels knowledge, and renunciation of the fruit of action is even better than meditation. It leads to the highest happiness and peace." Krishna explained, "Those who are devoted to me do not hate anyone. They are friendly to all and do not think too highly of themselves. They are by nature forgiving, always content, and know very clearly what to think, what they have to do, but above all, they love me. They are not a source of trouble to the world. They are fearless and free from the longing and crave for nothing. They are pure and impartial. Worldly things do not distract their minds, and they are indifferent to the fruits of action. They do not hate anybody. They are the same in joy and sorrow. They have the same feelings for friends and foe, the same attitude towards honor and dishonor, pleasure and pain. They are the same in heat and in cold. In short, they are free from all attachment. They are not affected by censure or praise. With their minds calm, they are fully content with whatever comes their way and whatever they possess." So this is what is the 21st episode of Mahabharata. See you soon in the next video. Till then, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye bye.